Hello my lovely. Welcome to my channel and welcome back to myself. Since I returned from rehab for my spinal injury and surgery, I have received this package at the end of last month and now finally getting around to unboxing it, and sorry to be so late, but let's get on with it and we'll see what's inside. I did see several postings from Alexandra, Renke, design teams and so on, but I really have no idea what's inside. In the meantime, I can tell you that my rehab was going okay, that I was feeling good being there, but I had some disappointments and so I'm quite frustrated at the moment. Still not back at work. Anyway, let's get on with it. Remove the paper and the box so that we can unwrap all the goodies. You may notice that there's no live noise, no rustling, and this is because I watched back some of my videos and I noticed that the background noise was too bad and the sound quality was just not up to what I would like to listen to. So I am doing a voiceover until I can set up my camera and a mic with a better sound quality so you can hear me live. Obviously it's not the same as unwrapping something and listening live to it, but here we go. I will give it a go. So the die is a lovely new type of die from Alexandra Renke that they make in a different color to distinguish themselves from other copy cats, and so that you can see it's an Alexandra Renke unique die. So this die is called a Schirm with lampions, umbrella with lampions, and there's a matching stamp, and that's a wood-mounted stamp. It has the same kind of designs and the usual Alexandra Renke grey rubber with a very squishy rubber foam behind it. And these stamps are very good, very good quality indeed. The only thing is that they print their designs on plastic, which is then glued onto the wood, so in this case something got trapped under the foil, so it's a minor flaw, but I don't mind it at all. It doesn't do any damage to the way the stamp works. And there's another one, and this is the monthly stamp that we received with the boxes from the beginning of the year, and so this month is September, which is next month. And washi tape, the same design as the stamps and the dies, and it looks lovely. Beautiful designs, and I love the colors as well, they're my favorites. Called Chadra umbrellas, and they are made in China. So next up we have a die cut with similar designs, reminiscent of 1001 Nights, the fairy tales of the Far East with Aladdin and so on. And yeah, They make it easy to cut out the little strips and use your items on cards or designs, whatever you're making. Very lovely. I do like the muted colors. They are indigo, some kind of indigo, and kind of a nickel azo yellow, and perylene green, something like that. Very nice. Let me show you on a sheet of white paper so you can see it better, and hopefully we can get the number into focus. FG-AR-FA002 Arch figurine. AR as in Alexandra Renke, T figurine. That's quite neat, isn't it? So here we have the first paper, full sheet, which is one-sided as you saw, with those parasols and a flying carpet, a headdress, a turban I should say, lamps and a shoe, an oriental cap, all kinds of things. I love the elephants and the monkey. Okay, dancing ladies or belly dancers perhaps. The paper number is 10/1935. And the next paper is a whole sheet full of lampions in different styles and in yellow, as you can see, and they are lovely. Here the paper number is 10/1924. And the next sheet is featuring some belly dancers, decorated with some lampions as well, dancing very gracefully, swinging their shawls, and some kids. Okay, that's cute. The paper number is 10/1927, and yeah, really like this one as well. And some slippers with some lotus flowers and a lamp on the usual Alexandra Renke signature background as seen in the other papers. And here we have a repeat of the items in a different design. The paper number is 10/1926. Next up, there are some plain papers that go very well with the designs as far as I can see. Oh, there's an orange one and then a terracotta, and I can see a blue one light blue. These are double-sided, i.e. they are completely dyed, but they are very thin. And a pink, powder pink one. And then there's a burgundy, or kind of yeah, well, I would say it's burgundy, towards the purple, but it's a red still, I would say. I would say it's almost an Alexandra Renke kind of red, a signature red. And next up we have a kind of a lampion design in a greenish grey and a dark grey. They're not the same, they're similar. And here you can see some lampions on a string. And the paper number is 10, 19, 40. Next up we have the darkish grey, and the paper number is 10, 19, 43. Okay, so here's another one of those designs, and here the paper number is 10, 19, 44, and it's a dark bluish grey. And another grey coming up. This is a light warm grey, and the paper number is 10, 19, 42. Another blue grey, that's a little lighter. Paper number is 10, 19, 41. And this one is kind of a sienna, raw sienna, or brick red, brownish, ochre, dark, or umber perhaps, or burnt umber. And the paper number is 10, 19, 19. Here we have a dark and a light. This is like a purplish color. And I wonder if it's the same color as the other one that I said was Alexandra Renke red. And this is 10, 19, 37. And this is a dusty pink color, or rosé. And the paper number is 10, 19, 36. And another paper with lampions in an ochre color, yellowish. That's quite nice. And the paper number is 10, 19, 39. Now what am I to do with all the lampion papers? I have no idea, but I will think of something, I'm sure. Since I'm at home and not at work, I don't seem to have that many contacts to make cards for, so kind of stuck with the stuff. And I suppose I will make a lot for Christmas and other occasions like that coming up. So as you can see, I'm arranging all the papers according to color and thinking about what I could combine and what matches with which design and so on. So when I have taken the picture for the thumbnail, I will be back with my outro in a moment. So I do hope you enjoyed my rather or very late unboxing of the August subscription box from Alexandra Renke, and do leave me a like if you did like my video, and I would appreciate it very much if you could subscribe to my channel so you can see my next upload, which will probably be the unboxing of the September box, which just arrived at my doorstep. So until then, do take care and do what you love. Bye for now. Ta-da!